What's up, guys? Professor Lovato Jr. here. I'm super excited to let you know about my Destination Jiu-Jitsu retreat in Turks and Caicos, beautiful Turks and Caicos. This is October 5th through 10th, destinationjj.com, all-inclusive retreat. I love camps because I get to work with the same students every day, multiple times a day. I promise I'll make a huge impact on your game and share with you some beautiful, timeless jiu-jitsu. All right, so don't miss it. DestinationJJ.com, October 5th through 10th. I hope to see you there.